Today we're gonna explain the short vowel sounds. There are 3 short vowel sounds and the 4th one is silent. The first one is fatha and it sounds like a. For example, ba. So with fatha we open our mouth like ba, a. The second one is dhamma, okay? It's like oo. We round our lips, oo. Like here, boo, boo. The third one is kasra, and it's under the letter, and it sound like e, like b. So we spread our lips as we are smiling, b. The final one is called sukoon, okay? It's like this, okay? So it's breathless without vowel. It's not vowel sound, okay? Like here, it's ib,